Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to set some rules in our Outlook. If you use Outlook as much as I do, you will find that sometimes it's better to sort your incoming emails in different folders to make it easier to manage. Say that you have emails coming from different angles. You want to sort these emails so that when they arrive, they go into different folders in order to make it easier for you to manage. That is what we are going to quickly do here. To set these rules, first of all, if you don't have folders yet, we are going to create some. Let us go under this inbox. And as you can see, there is this one under folders. So there, click these three dots here and click create new folder. Let's call this folder payments. We can go there and click yet another folder. I already had one folder here, so let me have it deleted. So we have this folder called payments under this inbox. You can create more folders if you want your emails to go into other folders as well. For instance, let me click on it and create a new folder and let me call it meetings. Now we've got two folders here. We are going to go on and set the rules that we need. To do that, on the right hand side of your Outlook, you click on the settings. Here, under mail, you click on rules. Now you click on add new rule. Let us give our rules a name. Let us name this, let's say payment rule. Now we are going to add our condition. There are so many conditions here from which you can choose. For instance, if you want to set the rules so that it relates to people who sent you emails, you can choose from. You can set the rules if you want it to be based under someone's name, if a certain name is mentioned. So there are so many rules here that you can choose from. You can choose rules based on what is in the subject of the incoming emails. Let us click on subject includes, which means that if the subject of the arriving email includes a certain word or words, it's going to send it into a certain folder. Now, let us write something like payment. Let's say payments. If you want, you can go on and add more rules, but the process is just the same. Now, if the incoming email in the subject contains payments, what happens? That's when you set the action. Now, let us add an action. So what we want to do when this email arrives, it should go to the payments folder. So the action is move to folder. Now we can choose the folder that we want it to be moved into. We want it to be moved into payments folder. Now we can run the rule now. As you can see, you can add more actions. You can also add an exception. Let's go on and save our rule. So now, let us go and send email to this inbox and see what happens if the email is going to arrive in the folder based on our rules. Let's close this Let me go to this email and compose a new email. Let me send the email to randomskills@outlook.com, which is the email address where we set out our rules now. The subject, remember, the subject should be something, it should have something like payments, which is the rule we set up. Payments. Let's add some message. Now let's send our email and see what happens. Now let's go back to our Outlook. As you can see, the message has just arrived inside the payments folder. Probably took like 30 seconds. Let's click on it. Now, this is the rule that we just set. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to comment, and to like. Thank you for watching.